Welcome back, friends, to Build a Lot Acres. My name's Case, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what I consider one of the best homeowner grade chainsaws and the best values out there on the market today. Stay tuned. So you see a lot of people make videos on the Stihl 500i fuel injected chainsaw, some of these real big fancy saws, but they cost $12, $13, $14, sometimes $1,500 for a saw. A lot of people don't need that kind of saw. They don't want that kind of saw. They just want a small, reliable saw, big enough to cut their firewood for the year and be cost effective. So what would you recommend for something like that? Let me tell you what I would recommend. Well, that's going to be the Stihl MS250. Now, this is a homeowner grade saw, but make no mistake, this saw can cut a lot of wood for a lot of years. So I actually bought this the exact same day, believe it or not. My brother bought an MS660, which is a huge Stihl chainsaw. It's 92 cc's, 7 horsepower. It's a big saw. I bought this little 250 the exact same day, and this was probably about 15 years ago. I've owned the saw for a long time, and it's cut a lot of wood. It's 3 horsepower. It's got a 10.1 pound power head, 16-inch bar and chain, 0.325 chain. And I just think it's a great choice for your person that wants to cut some wood. I think it's a step up from some of the cheap, Walmart type box store saws you're gonna see. And I think it really has a good spot in the chainsaw cutting world for potential users to get their wood done. Let's go see it in action. Alright, so let's get a couple things out of the way. I know there's probably some people thinking my 550, my 346, my 260, my MS200 top handle, my 5100 Dolmar, etc., etc., will outcut this 250. Yeah, I agree. The saws that will certainly outcut this in the same class. However, those saws are all professional grade saws and they cost approximately double what this saw cost. You need to keep in mind, there's always going to be a bigger, better, faster, more expensive saw. I mean, how far do you want to go with it? The whole point of this video is a lot of people want to hit a certain price point and they want to be able to do a certain amount of wood per year. They might only want to spend up to $400, $500, but they might only want to cut 3 or 4 cords a year. They're not cutting hundreds of cords a year of treetops on a logging site. They don't need the best of the best in the 50cc class. They want something affordable that's still going to work good, has pretty good features for what you're paying, which I think this 250 really delivers on those. I mean, it's not the best saw in the class, but for the price they get for these, I think it's pretty hard to beat. And I can say from, 15 years of ownership, this saw has cut a lot of wood, and it's certainly paid for itself and served me well over that time. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you know of any other saws in this price range, in this class, that you think are better choices than the 250, let me know in the comments below. See you next time. This is only a 45cc saw, 3 horsepower.